The Little Star Who Learned to Say Bismillah. In a small and peaceful village, there lived a kind little boy named Yusuf. Yusuf loved nature, animals, and the beautiful stars in the sky. Every night, Yusuf would sit near his window and look at the shining stars. He felt happy and calm watching Allah's beautiful creation. One evening, Yusuf sat down to eat his dinner. He was very hungry and excited. But Yusuf forgot to say Bismillah. Just then, a tiny star outside his window began to glow brighter. A soft voice said, "Yusuf, remember Allah before you eat." Yusuf looked surprised. "Did a star just talk to me?" he asked. The little star smiled and said, "Saying Bismillah brings Allah's blessings." Yusuf felt shy but happy. He raised his hands and said, Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Suddenly, the room felt warm and peaceful. The food tasted better, and Yusuf felt joy in his heart. From that day on, Yusuf always remembered Allah. Before eating, before sleeping, and after every blessing. Yusuf smiled at the stars and said, "Thank you, Allah." And the little star kept shining proudly. The end.